Today we're going to look at Bitcoin. What is this Bitcoin exactly? And how does it work or operate? So let's dive into this. And we're still going to look at, will Bitcoin be equal to $200,000 this 2025 or comes 2026? So let's quickly go into that. Before that, I would like to show you Bitcoin in Naira, which is what you're exactly seeing right here. It's over 179. As of today, 4th of October 2025. So what will be exactly the fate of this particular coin? These crypto coins, we all know it to be the father of all cryptocurrency coin in the crypto industry market, which is called the BTC. Okay, the BTC was launched far ago at a very low rate of 0.04 and now is very high in the market. So follow me to the end of this very video so that you can know exactly what is this Bitcoin, what power does it have, and how exactly does it operate. Follow to the end of this very video so that you can understand also if this BTC, known as Bitcoin, will reach $200,000 this year 2025. So if this interests you, all you just need to do is to subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video so that lots of people can gain value from this amazing content. Let's go there. So how much will Bitcoin be worth in 2030? Based on your prediction, which is our predictions, that Bitcoin will change at a rate of 5% every year. But is this true? And how true could this be? Because from the recent move, we have seen that Bitcoin have changed more than 5% in the crypto market. If it will change 5% every year, the price of Bitcoin will be 124 in 2026. Are we already experiencing 124 or even above that in the past days? Okay, and in 2030, it is predicted to be 151. So what will this prediction be? But my own predictions, by 2030, it will be more than this. And in 2026, it is hoped that we will be recording to over 200,000 BTC in price. So let's quickly continue to see and see what exactly is on with this Bitcoin. See what is it exactly, and also see what it owns in the future. Does it want new investment? Will it attract new investors? The answer is yes right away. But what do you think about that? If it will attract new investors, let me know at the comment sections so that we can know much more about it and know also what to say again about it. Okay? So Bitcoin BTC hit a record high last week, but analysis has shown that it is actually doing well, and it will also raise more than that. Its current price now is over 121, like currently as at today, it's over 121. The chart looked declining, but very promising. So all you just need to do is to make sure you watch this chart carefully to your own taste. Invest into this BTC, invest into this Bitcoin so that you will not be left behind and so that you will not regret in the nearest future. When this Bitcoin was 60 or 70, I kept talking about it. A lot of people invested, but the moment they see profit, they got catch out because most of them cannot wait. Hadn't been their wait, what will they gain by now? They would have gained over times 2 of their purchasing power, which would have been very reasonable for them and very, very profitable for them. So watch this coin carefully. When it gets to the taste, you can invest, you can dive in. You can really dive in and make something rational for yourself. This era is an era of an investment. Invest in a particular coin that you trust in it. Coin you know that yes, this coin will deliver after making your huge research. Because regarding Bitcoin now, we have made our own research and we realize that it is still best for a long-term investment. Okay? Though it can be full of up and down and highly volatile. So what does this cryptocurrency mean? A cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency secured by cryptography, which makes it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend it. Cryptocurrencies exist on decentralized networks that utilizes blockchain technology, a distributed ledger secured in network of computers. You can see this is what exactly the cryptocurrency is. Okay, and looking at this, you will know that yes, this is the true word about the word cryptocurrency coin. Okay, and what is the father of this cryptocurrency we're talking about? Which is the Bitcoin. Okay, which is the Bitcoin, and that Bitcoin always look promising and always look profitable, though it's highly volatile. It's full of ups and downs, but you can dive in between this up and down. Either you trade it long or you trade it short and make your rational profit. Permit me to mention Kcoin, a part of cryptocurrency coin that is also nice. You can look at all of those ones for yourself. I won't talk too much on those ones because I do not wish this video to be too long. You can look at those ones for yourself. We have this Kcoin and also a lot of them out there that you can look into them, buy them, and make something rational for yourself. Those ones are at least reasonable cryptocurrency coin that are still less than $1. So investing on them will be very, very profitable for you. And so look at it. What is even this Bitcoin? The father of the cryptocurrency we're talking about. The Bitcoin is the first cryptocurrency, a type of digital money created back in 2009. It was created by an unknown person who I'm choosing to remain private. Okay, so how does this Bitcoin works? Bitcoin technology, every time someone sends or receives Bitcoins, the transactions is what is recorded on the blockchain entirely. So whenever you send Bitcoin or you receive Bitcoin, the transaction will be recorded fully on the blockchain. Okay, the blockchain is made up of blocks. It makes out of block of data. Those data are actually linked together. Okay, it links together in order to what? To form a chain, which is why it is called blockchain. Okay, it's like a cryptocurrency database. Okay, so once a block is added, it connects between chain. So when the block is added, it cannot be changed. Okay, it cannot be changed. This made Bitcoin very, very and highly secured. Okay, now you see what is this Bitcoin we're talking about, which is the number one cryptocurrency coin, and you also see how it works through sending and receiving, and also those blockchain that also make it very, very secured. Now you see that. Okay, so before we continue, if you are actually finding value from this very class, do what to subscribe, like this video, share this video so that a lot of people can gain value from it. In my next class, I'm also going to mention a Bitcoin alternative of which you would seriously need to be investing your money on it because it will mean a lot in the nearest future. Okay, so let's continue. So still on how it works, I have mentioned one. Okay, still on how it works on mining. There are a lot of Bitcoin out there platform that people are mining. Okay, but has the last one been mined? Okay, so what are those features of this Bitcoin? decentralized. No single authority controls it. It is completely decentralized. Okay, it has a limited supply. Only 21 million BTC will ever exist, making it what? Making it scarce like gold. All right. So it's also a borderless. Okay, can be sent anywhere in the world, anytime, any minute. Okay, it's borderless. You can send it anywhere all over the world. That is Bitcoin for you. Okay, it is also transparent. Anyone can check transactions on the blockchain, right? Which is what makes it highly important and also highly secured. And a lot of people, millions of people, trusted this BTC coin. Okay, it is borderless. You can send it anywhere. Okay, it is limited, which makes it scarce like gold, and it is also secured, very very secure. Use strong cryptocurrency to protect funds. Okay, it is called cryptography. You can use it to protect fund in general, and those funds are in what? Those funds are in Bitcoin, which is known as BTC. This video has a lot of information. Do not skip any part of this very video so that you can fully understand what it is and what exactly it is talking about. I will also use this medium to mention this particular coin known as SAT. SAT is a baby. It is time for you to invest if you really want to invest. If you really want to secure tomorrow, then it is time for you to invest. Invest in SAT as well. For SAT, it's a baby coin that you can invest on it and make a rational profit in the nearest future. So what are you waiting for? These are opportunities for you. I've mentioned the K coin, and I'm also mentioning the SAT coin. And in my next video, as I promised, I will drop to you the Bitcoin alternative that you can invest on now and smile later. And how much is $1 in cryptocurrency today? 1 USD is equal to 0.0000083 BTC. This is the current value of 1 United States dollar in BTC currently. Okay, minus 0.64 against the exchange rate to BTC in the last 24 hours. And the current United States dollar market cap is, the current Bitcoin market cap is 2.39 trillion, which is more than half of the whole total cryptocurrency market cap. It is huge. There's still every possibility that this bull run could explode it again, and we could definitely experience this 200,000 USD Bitcoin, equivalent to Bitcoin price. So what are you waiting for? If you really find value in this video, subscribe. And if you want to also keep seeing me again, subscribe to this channel, like the videos, and as well share. A lot of people could get value from it. So let's continue. So this brings us to the end of this very class. Okay, if you find value from this very video, let me know at the comment sections. Okay, and if you still have any questions that you want to ask, let me know at the comment sections. All right, and if there's any other video you want me to talk about, let me know at the comment sections. And if you also want me to make a video about this Bitcoin alternative, also let me know at the comment sections so that we can keep doing this. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next class. Bye.